Please, I'll go on my knees and I will beg you. Allow us to march to Palestine. I beg you, I'll go onto my knees and I will beg you for these people. I'm a proud man and I'm a nurse. I've paid to go to Palestine myself. Where is your cowl? Where is your heart? They're babies and women. The women are trying to feed their dying babies and their breasts are empty. Do you know what that smells like? I've had babies die in my arms. They shot pregnant women in front of me. For the love of humanity and for the love of Islam, please don't do this. Allow us to march to Gaza. We're peaceful people, we're good people, we're Muslims, we're Christians, we're atheists, we're Jews. We are humanity. We are here for humanity. What are you here for? For humanity and for love. Stand with your brothers and sisters in Palestine. I have never seen or experienced anything like it, please.